Hello, hello, BSR Nation. Welcome back to Everland, home of the Ponderosa. So I'm out here today, just chilling like a villain, relaxing in the sun at the Ponderosa. And it's kind of nice out, but it's chilly. If you notice, there is ice because nights are freezing and they are expecting snow. But right now we have clear skies, and I'm not sure of the temperature, but it's not freezing out here, and I do have on a coat. So I just wanted to give you an update, and let's see what happens next. I do like snow, and we rarely ever get some. We got it last year, which was a treat. So let's see what happens next. And I do have some other surprises for you. I was tuning in to Eco Neighbor, and he brought up a point, and I did agree with him. Thomas and I agree with him. And what he was saying is, he said, ain't nothing the same anymore. And he's right. And he was referring to nocturnal animals that you can see running around in broad daylight. Skunks, foxes, deer. Yeah, I have the same experience down here, guys. Everything's different. There's nothing the same. And you know, last spring and summer, my gardens did fail. But I'm doing something special this year to try to surmount all of that from ever happening again. And one of those things is that I created a greenhouse. Yes, I did. It's in my garage. It's sort of bootleg. That's why I haven't shown it to you as yet, but I will be showing it to you very soon. Very soon. So that's all I wanted to just touch bases. Hope everybody's staying safe and warm. Mostly safe, because it's crazy out here. I love the peace of Everland because it's my peace. Everybody may not dig it, but I do. Moss and all. Yeah. All right, everybody. Until next time, as usual, you know what it is. Stay prayed up and stay sprayed up.